How to use Newegg Shuffle for graphic cards. The Newegg Shuffle is a drawing system designed to give customer a fair chance to purchase high-demand electronics like Nvidia GeForce RTX 50 series graphic cards. What you need is first thing first, you must have a registered newegg.com, or you could use the app as well. After which, you want to navigate to official Newegg Shuffle page during a scheduled selection window that is typically few hours in the mornings, just 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And you just have to go and choose a graphic card or bundles you are interested in buying. You then need to select multiple items that can increase your chances of being picked for one of them. And after the window closes, Newegg randomly draws winner and notifies them by email or push notification during the notification window. And if selected, you will have a limited buying window, usually 2 to 6 hours, to add the items to your cart and check out. And that's basically how you're supposed to use Newegg Shuffle for graphics. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.